All right, we have another update here, the Carrollwood Village remodeling project. We got a kitchen, a laundry room, fireplace. Just coming through the door here. And you can see now, we have a wall built across here. It's gonna be a mechanical room. This will be a really nice laundry room when we get the rest of the cabinetry and everything in here. And then as we walk in through the kitchen, now we can see all the flooring that we installed in here, all the tile floor. We eliminated the lippage between the high areas and low areas. Just got fans on everything right now to dry. So we'll be grouting this tomorrow, and got a big transformation coming. We still have work over there on that fireplace. You can see it's not quite finished off yet, but all the flooring's in. We should be ready for putting a prime coat on the drywall all the way around. See individual sheets. You can see how it's been taped, mudded, and textured on the ceiling to match. Yeah, it's a lot of big progress here. So we'll keep updating you. Like and subscribe to the channel. We get more updates when they come. It's Matt the Kitchen Gallery.